Hello, in this video, we will learn how to disable Duet in TikTok. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel, and activate the notification bell to receive all updates. First, open the TikTok application. Go to your profile. Click on the three lines. Press on Settings and Privacy. Click on the Privacy option. You will see this menu. Scroll down. Then, press on the Duet option. Duet will be disabled. From here, you can allow only the people you follow to duet with your videos. If you choose to enable this option, no one can perform a duet with your videos. I will only allow the people I follow. Lastly, please support us by liking the video and following us to stay updated with all our new videos. Thank you, see you in the next video.